Now this one we get every year during the summertime. I love fireworks. Always love fireworks. I'll literally blow through some money next week for sure on this one. I mean, they're just good fun. Right. But unfortunately, we'll hear on WLOX News next week there will be firework injuries or ERs. You can guarantee every ER doctor in the broadcast range right now is preparing for this next week. When something goes wrong with the fireworks, is there much you can do? I mean, the nature of them is they're dangerous, but what does the liability start on that?
It could be a lot of different things. We have some fireworks cases, had them over the years, some bad, some not as bad. The problem with most of the firework companies, if you have a defective firework that causes, we have, I think one maybe still in the office now, where everybody was doing what they're supposed to with a firework. Right. It just misfired and went in the wrong direction. Yes. Hit someone, put an eye out. The problem is most of these firework companies are located in China, okay? Right. And so it's very difficult to obtain a judgment. Speaking of U.S. law, yeah, exactly. Right. And so you got to look to the distributor who maybe sold them or something like that. So they're difficult. The best thing to do with fireworks is this is the perfect situation where an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Sure. If you do fireworks, wear safety glasses, wear earplugs, and for God's sake, if you have a large firework, I've seen this happen in a number of cases where they don't go off and people will literally go look down into the firework, see what happened, and inevitably it goes off. And they're essentially like a shotgun. They will kill you if you. Oh, there's an extreme amount of explosive. Right. If it's a large mortar, never do that. Leave them alone. Jim, I remember last year, this was a tragic story on the East Coast. They had a fireworks company. Their show, actually, because of winds and a variety of other factors, if I remember right, the shells started exploding over the crowds and people got all sorts of sulfur burns and that type of. Now, that's a different situation. Yes. You would look for the liability on that company, right? Professional company. Yeah, the professional company. That's a different situation altogether than, a group of friends together, some fireworks that you've bought, that come from China somewhere. That's a completely different situation. Did you used to do bottle rocket wars? I hate to admit that I did, but it's awful. What were we thinking? I don't know. How we survived? I don't know. I don't know. I remember my memories of they were great fun, but that was dangerous. Then with Roman candles too. But if any kids are listening, that's not a good idea. That's a terrible idea. Don't do it ever. We were very, very fortunate on that side.